Obwabire narambura emirimo y'ebyo kutimba amajuta mu district ya Burisa. Mukuru w'ekitongore kya Uganda National Bureau of Standards Engineer James Kasugwa agizire ngu Uganda eri kutandika kushohoza amajuta okuruga kuzimu bitu hati kikuru bine kufayo munonga ha mutindo.
Over 2.2 billion dollars have come to our local enterprises. This speaks directly to what now UNBS stands for, where we are saying we are in the business of growing quality enterprises. When you go in the midstream, we are looking at transportation and storage of our crude oil. Now, when we talk about transportation, it is important that Ugandans know the role that UNBS plays.
Engineer Kasugwa nagira ngo bwire obu aba Uganda National Bureau of Standards batandikire nkwatanisa n'aba Petroleum Authority of Uganda okurebuza omutindo gw'amajuta agarukuza kunyurwa mu itaka.
Because oil and gas is a very critical sector in attaining the tenfold growth strategy that we aspire towards a $500 billion economy. And for that to be achieved, quality assurance should be, or quality should be at the center of everything that we do. And more important than in the previous, as we ramp up towards the fast oil, it's important that now we even work even closer in aspects of metering.
Nashobora nka UNBS bari omuhuriro kureba ngo n'abashobozi b'amashito mu ihanga bataho mutindo. Dr. Joseph Kobsheshe urukuzunanazwa n'ebitwe hingurize omu kitongore kya Petroleum Authority of Uganda nagira ngo nkwatanisa yabo na UNBS no kureba ngo amashito ga Uganda gagira mutindo murungi aha rurengo rw'ensi yona.
The oil and gas sector relies a lot on making sure that the right standards are in place and they are being applied. This is important for the necessary level of quality assurance that is required to be achieved, making sure that the facilities are safe, achieving the required asset integrity.
Uganda netekateka kutandika kwiheba mata by'amajuta kurwo kuzimu okutandika no kwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka ogu gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagabakatoto.
Babare Ambrose Nwagabakatoto. Government hire amaka gaferirwa abantu babo omuri butandu omuri shema miliyoni 5 burika butandeji hekabaho rwa mukaga kandi kaferama abantu mukaga babiri bakutara wanyuma yo musinzo kubatomera barukuruga kushaba.
Sentezi kurwa mu government ziretsirwa mu ishengero wa Shema Municipality Dickson Colin Kateshumbwa kandi buruka etungire miliyoni 5 ahabo kuferwa abantu babo.
DPC na handikira president reportage yajufuna ahamande ubizwari ya cabinet ndikumanyisa ngo tufunde kizubu cyamani muri Shema kandi minister unakiravuzemo wa ebi ya disaster ebwerezi yaje musya kandi president ya Sharamungu antume
kunkare iki nareba family zina visiting nareba abana babiri bona bari hasi y'imyaka 13 ababiri involved in accident namba banja no wafire na wakari akene imyaka 12
ekeza aferirwa abantu zisimire President Museveni ahabo kumanya omuntu wa burijo no munyishengero wabo okutwara omwoga okumanyisa mukuru w'ihanga.
His Excellency mazuma kureba ngo natwijukaho atumanya na mulungu abantu abinyuma ahabo kuba ikintu cyanguhi kushanga ngo nanye hati nuko mferirwa umuntu takugarukaho kunka kandi bimwe ho bimwe na munonga mwana ubwo mu kureba abira ryo P5 atinye n'amasikongo sintezi nabishe mbeshe bamarambanje ababinye naba tuza kuzireberage kuri ngo umwana ugo kwerizagira hizagira ki arizamusya
kandi abafirirwe iki kitamanyirwe ikitare buzimazima accident y'imoto kiza zikatera abana bitu n'abakazi bitu n'abanyabuzari ahanguto bakurwa mu kushoma kwishengereza mukama. President na Kasingi Kateshumba no Kasingi parliament yo na cabinet
abatungira bufutabo bahirwe miliyoni 1 okubahwera kutungo bujanjabi
bifite kubaho babanza kureba abaferirwe hati turiyo tureba ki abafunira accident Wino sima mukama kugira ngo bagire.
Omwana wanje n'umwumva atungire accident konka kiza yaho n'abandi bakafa kongo mwana wanje akahona mwenu abebembezi bitwa bahurire kizube cyabireho batera umurango wa president
Onjiro to misho drive hakuvugira na stama abantu bashatu imagine kwakubwa na police y'ekuberi niba parking misoga police baje bamukwata mu ngaro orabayonje eco cerkashaka oruguto rwa haha ejesani wakuzanya mfumbura nanga ka wana ndakoro wana ndakuhachondezaje iwe gendo tembe motoka yemereza motoka azate bakomanya noza kurebe kiryo misho accident zaza kuba kugira ngo niki entika iba kutikamwa abantu niyirarikiriza tiko mayitukuza
abafire ni Dinavens Chomugisha w'emyaka 47, Jen Kobusinje w'emyaka 67, Precious Ampereza w'emyaka 12, Edita Komugisha w'emyaka 80, Harriet Asimwe w'emyaka 57 na Grace Namara w'emyaka 27. Aba Honren Vicky Amanya w'emyaka 13 na Bimanywa Mukama Bruno w'emyaka 16 wabatomire negisha hawe n'umushyiwe tubakarebukire gasha kwa Michael atwakire
Babariya Michael tumwakire reka tumeraho tugaruka nagarukurato
Kurataho naga kushikibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Twakuretera indwara ya urethral stricture erukuteganisa abasheija.
Urethral strictures n'indwara yitukureba munonga
agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Bazadde bannange badde mbasaba temulekerera bakozi ba house helpers oba naniza abali owako kukola emirimu bokka babuulire boogere nabo abaana basobole okukwatagana bakole n'abaana emirimu kubanga kino kijja kuyambako abaana in future kuba omwana togenda kubeera naye oba tagenda kubeera ne nani ajja kutuuka yeetongoze waba yeetongozeza abasobola okufumba oba ajja kubeera ng'agula mu hotels ogulayo emmere it's very expensive so kino kiyambako abaana okumanya emirimu gy'owaka n'okuvaamu abantu ab'obuvunaanyizibwa in future.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumna na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kana aba mulungi ayibambe nekorera
ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena muri tukinda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 25 okwera Chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga neinga note mushanju ina itano
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu note mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
Echiro chisisire chireche Rose from Nempaka sheshe karonji Para see a rose spring a rose farm Ejini biti Tokuro busas mukasheshi Nikuko masaji ngomuchiro chuna
Renko mwerere n'umfaratsi gw'umutendo kandi nuguhanga umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwece orukwen Resform insiye biroto birunji
Kurukayo mkahumura mganda makuru mbya magareri zoba tuwakuletera endwara ya urethral structures endwara yo kuremwa okushesha umbashija endwara eji abinji tubaru kujimanya kane yonjero kuteganisa abashija omchange chankore
okuremwa kushesha ninga sho mu rungereze kibakweta urethral structure nendwara erukwata ensheke ezirukuraba mu nkari ombashija abashaho no bajangwe eriyo ne yongera omcanga cha ankore okumanya obuhango bw'endwara egi tutahire Dr. Marvin Mwesigwa omushahirwa Ruryambara Regional Referral Hospital okutera tocho mu ndwara egi
urethral strictures nendwara yitukureba munonga omwirwara rumuntu kira kugera clinic yitu yo kureba abarwire abine bizube ebya urology ibyo kushesha buri clinic ejo ntureba nkabarwire nkabashatu abine kizube cya urethral structure
Dr. Mwesigwa najangwa endwara eyo muri ngogu abashijana bakira kugiteranisa ne ya prostate cancer obundi bahendera batongera obujanjabi obutarwe
endwara ya urethral strictures ningo umuhanda okuzama enkojo kafunda nikitana na nebya prostate aho kwantuma una prostate na ine basa kuzibira umuntu okusheshaje konka ahibi kutanira of course ejo kubanza no kujangu urethral strictures nerye enkojo ibya prostate ukuremesa nebere prostate zimbere konko bwiro bwinje nabwo ntuma prostate nezimba umbashija abayine myaka 50 no kweyongerayo mbwenu twareba umushiya takakize myaka 50 yaremwa kushesha ntuma yangu mbwenu likely haremigisha mingi yo kugira ngo ni structure nenkojo
ogunajangwe endwara egi neretwa omushija kugira enkojo ahansheke ezirukuraba mu nkari ninga shobundi okutunga endwara za UTI
nebasa kuretwa okufutara nuko tukuchaye kureba omuntu yahinda nkeruguru yayetera haza yayetera mbwenu nkahansi y'amagosi ataho nho urethral ejo irukuraba umuhanda gwenkarugo so nugufutara gwaheza kufutara gukira nenkojo hata enkojo ejo niye kubeyisoro umuhanda so bwiro bwinji tureba omukufutara na za accident ze motoka na za pichi nkebyo then ekindi nerwo mu ndwara ya gonorrhea itwete enzuku omurnyankore azenze ukweji ko kujukwatwa na yeteka y'ikirondo muhanda gwenkari atukuzayo mbwene kirondo cyo nubuwa kucira ibonu jangu wacira konka nhaza yenkoje gumane ne hamanka butoshe enkojo kwehama kandi cyo kiretangu enkojo yafunze umuhanda
mbwene umuntu akajirinda ata niko tuburize Dr. Marvin kandi atugarukire mwati
no kushaba ngo twehara okufutarwa ka accidents ngwe no kuzehara then of course twine kureba okutwayehara indwara yenzu twena ntumanya government ine policy ya ABC yo kushanga ngo abana abatakashikire ninga abatakashikira kushwero ataka zo mu byo kwegita kandi ari kubashwire agume n'umucyara we kandi inga n'umwana we wenka ninga arashoberwa akose kondo tutakagire ndwara yago noriye.
Professor Ryan Tareki omuhango mu kushemeza ndwara eji ku rugo muri United States of America ashabira abashija okwirukangira mu bashaho bukirikare batungo kugumirwa omukushesha.
The general public, I would say if you're having trouble, with concerns related to how you empty your bladder, sexual function, stones, blood, anything that seems abnormal, and if it's difficult to get access to a urologist, tell someone. Tell your local lawmakers. Make sure they are aware of the problem so they know how to fix the problem, right? Tell the people around you. Come together and say, we need more urology care, and that sends a powerful message to say, this is a need that we need to meet.
Urethral stricture ningo kuremwa kushesha mbashija endwara eji nekishemezubwa kandi omushija terera gasha kwa Edson Chinene.
Webare Edson Chinene. District ya Kabarore eyigwirirwaro eri Kiture Health Center ya Kashatu okusiya hihohereza abantu baburijo no kutungura ebyamagara abaturano bagirango babahwerire okutambura engendo ningwa okuronda obuhereza bw'ebyamagara.
Kiture Health Center ya Kashatu okuryigura rubirene rukuzubwa okurga rurengo rwa Health Center ya kabiri kandi omukorogu gukurirwa mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa Kabarore District Richard Rwabuhinga Sarongwa Boki.
Obutwizera tukabaraganiza emyezi ena kuba tukozera omulimo tugumazire bitwandi twagire bugwererezi contract wo kubanza akabarugire Buganda bakamututweke nobona izana ukabasobora to contract abamutindikira ku ruga Buganda abantu abasomere nibageta hybrid Kampala ne komera contractor umpatane ne mukusindike obuyizire tiyatukora mulimo twikaraga hano mu mpamo twikaraga hano mu mpaka tuyikaragana mu nkungane
irwarweri neriza kubanerhereza abantu kurwo mugomborora ya hakibare n'emyanya ndijo ejetorire
obutubere takafunire nirali akitule tubere tuine ekizibu cyo kubata genda kibasi kufuna objanja distance ebere nyingi genda kibasi transport no sanga abandi tibaine
kamba siko kaga toyireyo hakuba ninjuka irwaro rino bizire kulonchingwa Boki wenyine ukeberaho nombigambo byawo nebindi nkabambire recordingire mbine no gamba ngo irwaro rino jya gukora emyezi 8 ndijya kukorerwa project ni emyezi 8 that was mwaka gwe 2020 no nagum and today is 2026 nkimanyisa project kabiri supposed to emyaka 5 emyezi 8 ekoliro emyaka 8 beito hakiro kerero bete ginto koleki
nisima district negongo abahanwire kurungi bachuwamu kutoa irwaro kandi irware rirungi eryo mulembe
mukuru w'abashaha hirwa reri Kaboyo Ramin najya kwihemerumo ahirwa reri tandika umuhendo gw'abantu abarukwija kujanjabwa gweyonjire
beto mwezi gwa kasatu guhoyirogu omuzalisa arozire abakazi benda 36 domini gituriyo tugenda mu maiso hati abaroira abona manya abakazi abona bayikaina arora abayina bahiki ya mwezi gukumalira nabagamba mwechwere munambe murazalira baito hati muzalisa zikubayine sazi ntokeye no ko basindika babona no ko bantu bezarisiza hano wenka
Kaboyo hona shabere government kubongera abashaho okutungura omutindo gw'ebyamagara ahirwa reri
gonza mwatkwasa maternity staffing itontoito muno current standard ya staffing ni imanya ngo health center stress ani kubina abakozi 5 na bana betatizi tuineho mwenda
ntikimanya ngo irwaro rintirisa kuba uriteneki so bait government katera hentekaniza ngo in a phased way abasaho inamba y'abasaho ijagena ne yongezebwa kasta sente zo kusasura omusaho zikoraki zoka midway for twatwiri tugenda ku mugara
Richard Rabuhinga ayahanangiriza abashaho ahirwa reri okora umurimo gwabo kurungi barukusyo bohereza aha barwire
so ni nsaba ingese nungi nisaba mugirire mbabazi abakazi abarukuzara imbasaba mubahereza okunihira
Betaka ba member of parliament abakondereza kwa one of the roles of the member of parliament is oversight. Kuita bakaba banyampara kolere mirimo ya government. Beto bakwikaro kumbagane bukapa. Batakwenda kwitana kumanya nsonga za bataka. We condemn that habit.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.
District ya Bushenyi umwebazi yoheje gwizeciro c'abakozi okubasima no kubishwa ahabwitafari eribatira hantunguka eyihanga emikoro hebireri ha factory y'ebitoce ya Nyaruzinga omuri Bushenyi district.
Okujaguze chiro c'abakozi kwebembirwa ba factory y'ebitoce ya Nyaruzinga kandi Professor Florence Mulanga ashabara abakozi munsi yona ngorabe yabonera karuma kakwate kurungi
wano walero tetukola tuluwale buli mukozi yenna n'ababa asobola kubeera mu celebration yewe ate nga bo abakozi kibawa kumanya nti okutegeera nti ensi efaayo ku mirimu gyabwe ffe nga abakulembeze tubooleka emirimu bye tufunye mu mirimu gyabwe ate ne tubasuubiza okulaba ntwongera bulungi bw'embeera gye babeeramu
to safeguard Uganda's progress and emphasizing the workers and the well-being of the workers.
Habireho no kushaba abakozi okumanya amakuru go kushaguze kireki.
Our method of employment, we wanted to make sure that the economy around the factory is vibrant. So we came to your communities and made sure that 80% of the people we are giving jobs here come from the local communities.
Ninyenda kusima staff ya Badik staff. Twizira aito tukizo mu December I myself ninyenda banze ku reporting aha. Tine unabe manyaho wale nomkozi mtayo anje wale na staff. Ungani nsima staff ya Badik.
Ebyo bikiryaho omuhezo wa RDC wa Bushenyi William Katsigazi Donanto ashabira abashomeso mu Bushenyi okumu mutindo gw'ebyo bwegese ogwo Bushenyi roho bwa hati ebyabigambira mukoro gwo kusibiro biraro mukuru w'ebyo bwegese mu Bushenyi Shaka Municipality Dan Mugenyi ohumwire merimo y'obuhereza bwa nyuma y'emyaka 32
Dan is going to live another life now, not as a civil servant. But we also need to learn something. And for me, the fear the man you talked about is always attached to that now, for example, if I retire, what am I going to do? Isn't it? What am I going to do? Where will I be? Whom would I be interacting with?
So mukwase batie romu. Ewa okuteka izina ya ushindisha hapa. The teachers, the teachers, the teachers and the entire education department.
When I'm in Kampala there, you make me proud because this performance is being number one in the country since 2018. This Bushenyi municipality has been leading in performance, and this has been attributed to good leadership. You have called him Mr. Mentor, Mr. fixer yazikama organize these central examinations. All this is really excellent performance exhibited.
Dan Mugenyo humwire agizere ngwe cha Bushenyi kugumana isingi ihanga ryona necheretwa bashomesa hamwe n'aba headmaster gukorana mani.
Producing what they call the most important results. It depends on those we are doing. But I want to believe the results Bushenyi Shaka Municipal Council produces are very good results. And I want to believe that these head teachers before me, I don't need to say I thank them, because they are doing their job and they were doing their job.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.
Uchiriyo nareba makuru agacenchire ntuje kumara kuturagarke tujagarkana ganda makuru Gumaha TV West.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erichasinjireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma. Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, Diploma in Medical Records and Health Informatics, Diploma in Pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in Nursing and Midwifery. Ishomereri erine Medical Laboratory erimebyoma nibereba ko muntu eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi shomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na Ministry of Health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kada na mushanju ashatu nibiri ukaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Waba tukuzise momo notegansi bizuba lyona.
Bro, mwina muka change. Madam muka change. Boda papa.
Yiharo kuteganisi wizuba lyona. Kozesa momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shirinje 15 agoni gomanyiga momo.
Taha mubuze buryo omwe cyari kunywa atandikanywa ha biriyani.
Mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona bari miyari papa flavored vodka.
Papa vodka niyo kwasireyo papa vodka niyo kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero zaho hurire tori kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoziro mugusha gurimo enuzire teine munahango batekuteza muto takusinza papa flavored vodka simple sweet.
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abaheriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka ebiro mfield buri mweje na hawo mugisha go kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumonje no mugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugirobwira ishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala Mbarara kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanje 8 mukaga nashanje ni 3 nashanje ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Cornerstone Junior Academy, located in Biharwe and Mbarara, a day and boarding school, offers a unique blend of academic excellence with a holistic child development from nursery and primary. We provide both national and international curriculum, developing all our pupils' talents through extracurricular activities and more. Registration for all classes is ongoing. Enroll your child today by visiting our campus today on Igongo Hill, Biharwe and Mbarara, or call 0706 944 519. Or 0781 159 421. Cornerstone Junior Academy, where quality meets elegance, soaring to greater heights.
cooking oil that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Kurukayumka humro wanyuma y'ibihome kugumizamo no mwijurano hombyange byankone Polisi mu district ya Bushenyi bashabirwe mishango emice kugumana bakwatanisa n'abebembezi bebyaro kuzahagombora bakajimaroko eci nikitekatekwa kwija okurwanisa mwijurano home.
Polisi mu Bushenyi district bashabiro kwatanisa n'abakuru bebyaro okora hamshango inamani make chwero kurwanisa mwijurano gwembohe ombehome bagambirwa mushomo gutebekanisi waba Foundation for Human Rights Initiative Bushenyi Legal Aid mu Bushenyi district
bisange gifanabo gito gisobolera ddala okuwozesebwa oba okumalirwawo nga waliwo enkolagana ennungamu era wakati wa polisi n'abo abawaabi b'emisango enkolagana ya kooti n'ekitongole ekiwaabi ky'emisango.
So there are dangers, and this one I want to tell our friends from FRI and even what the chief was saying. Sometimes actually you guys have no option but to charge, to register the case, because registering the case is different from charging and starting the investigation. You can register the case, you tell him, okay, I'll register your case, but I'm going to send your file to the state.
The judicial officer should be impartial, should be independent. Some people went to court and said, if somebody is appointed on a temporary basis, and I'll give an example here, 2 years, he appointed the judge, but on probation for 2 years. Can you make a mistake in those 2 years to annoy your boss?
Omushomogu gushikirwa OCCID aha Bushenyi district kandi ashabire polisi abarukwata barukuhendebera okureka kubafubera ekiragiro kitakakozere gwacyo.
Tushemere kuba umusibe ntumushobora iki yakora nko kwiyo kuri cyimkwenda kushobora kumitembara habasaba babuzibu uta kuza kwabwire bwo kumushobora konka bambu tushemere kumushobora icyo wamukwatara kandi ukamweyanzura
ushango ukuguri kurenze shaha 88 akiri umucyoni icyo nakigamo umuntu kandi nayiga kumanya ngo umuntu owakoresha amateka ntakatwara amateka mu ngaro.
Aba Foundation for Human Rights Initiative Bushenyi Legal Aid n'ekitongole cy'urukurwaniro bwabe bw'abantu kandi kiri hansi ya government ya Uganda. Gasha kwa Ben Muhoza.
Abantu abaganyirwa mu sente za parish development model omucyare cha Chikamba omugombora ya Kasambya mu district ya Kakumiro basemere government abo kureta project ya PDM eyibaru kugira ngo ekabatambira kafuna abantu bagira ngo hariho ebyabakorire obwahati kurwo mu sente zi
emukore okusima kw'abantu abaganyirwa mu sente za parish development model omucyaro cha Chikamba omugombora ya Kasambya mu district ya Kakomero yatandika n'ekitambo kya misa ekyabembera Reverend Father Emmanuel Arnitwe owa parish ya St Joseph bari kudembe Kasambya.
Our leaders from the president, from President Museveni, especially our Kurakura Naituongera Kuchekam. For the development we are putting in our lives, in our families. Ayi mukama wade basebi nga batereka yo katonoto no bateke yo mudidi ame. Ayi mukama wade tere bana batandika kwe. Ayi mukama micro finance support center. Jetu inawane Uganda Museveni jesa wewe urabe kurakuranya. Ngaina branch ya yeboima. Eleto mudidi eguyiwe mu Kigamba so.
Janat Katsime ombikiwe kigombe cyabo ecyabikoguze nashaba government kubongera empiha bakongera kwetungura.
Our request is we are requesting you for more funds. What we have is not enough for us, so we need your support and the office of the president to support us.
Kandi akasente ndayihireyo kanyamba naguramo embuzi ziriyo zikura
ugasanga turi mu cyaro banka ziri hari nitwenda kusevinga agasente no kukuma agasente kitu kukarinda ibizibu bimwe na bimwe.
President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwabire nagamba hakiro cy'abakozi nyuma abazyo agambira babandize kutunga sente za PDM kutanuka kuzigarrayo. Omugandi habireho kwereka obuhinzi ya mutima omurukiko rw'abekibina cy'abavugi ba tax abibanda ecyayitoda bwanyuma yabamo mu rubamemba kunyaga sente z'ekibina. Ekibina nicyo kimwe kikatunga sente z'emyoga kandi nazo bazinyaga.
President yazika apana kwa abo bazitwire zikakuyamba ariwe weshitota tarazitwire kaya bagindi yazitwire ariho kareba tarazitwire kwera bazine nanisa bangu bazireti omukibina kitwereho kugira ngo natwe kuza kuyibanza ngayi ahabange ndizo tugombange yitu ahubwo burundu bw'ekibina kitu
inemu rukoze zibere zirimu abo butakora amagoba nanga ubutafuna sente abo buteterana konka ibizoberi twazorovinga kugira ngo buri memba wena akwenda kumara memba w'ekibine icyo cyayitoda aseme kubana asasura siringe umutwaro gukuru nimbo bwa membership weye.
Omuhezi wa RDC araganise kora hanshongeji
amazina ngagagiseki yagwa mbwenu nimba hanazi bakiriyo muri ibanda ubandarumu nsekezo zino kugira ki kandi okushashirwa kwazo twakinene myezi 2 tiyakiri nitwera sente zigaruka mu kibina abandi bazekore
Badriva borekera enshonga ziri kubateganisa na mnonga enshonga ya receipt
banda tugiyo twatakane engwaja mupaka shikwa nikora ito ife ya paka ba members mwena bava bakara baturabataine mwe manyasi manye tugiye bakachiko madru bayi ngari byo sakati korechi na chitu sigari turi muntu baka sigari yemwe package baka tengabe mu mwana ayiva akwa packs uruva kutambura zinyinshi umwana ukarebera ayine baka timwa yangu hasi so ya packs ajire ukata kujaya nata that packs nisitebwa kuba nyinji abukwenda kutungura ibyanga bitari umwana bimwe.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto na Timothy Mushabe.
Mwebari abashachi baitu abeshitongole cyankole Clays Limited abarukora amategura n'ibindi byo kombekesa ebyo mutindo bigwire factory yabo mbutongore aho mu Rembo orwambarara omukoro go kwiguraho factory gwebembirwe omureberezwa diocese ya Kigezi Right Reverend Gada Kanjuna.
Abekitongole cha Ankole Clays Limited abarukora amategura hamwe n'ibindi byo kombekese byo mutindo bigwiro factory yabo mbutongoro mu wadi ya Rachachizi omulimbara City South.
Hariho ubwenge kandi hariho amagezi kuri kubikozesa byona ureba umurimo gwa ruhangani kugenda umesho nambwenu nitekereza Philip kandi hamwe na Charles bakoreseza ubwenge bakozesa n'amagezi knowledge and wisdom arubwo rukuribuka kagira to kutikubasa kwanje iki cyaruga hari ruhanga kandi ko buzimananye nareba nabuza Philippe bibuzo kushati yabigarukamu hahabwo kuba umuntu nabatwiro bwire buringwa kuteka kintu no kukisya hiyakisya.
Arukayo ubutumwa bwo mukiguraho factory omureberezi wa diocese ya Kigezi Right Reverend Gada Kanjuna asimera bagitandikire kandi yabashabo ubutaryana
hamwe ni mugenda hamwe eco ninkimanya konkati ndi kukimanya munonga uri kukimanya munonga ni ruhango wabaresire ngumukore hamwe ngwe nukugire nama yo kujyana ukatugende tuze nkori tugure yo mwanya. That was one step konka tugenderire tubomba amatafari tubumbe za reka ndeke kubyeta amazina tubumbe amategura rero twihemwe sente twetungure ejo kabirye ndijo nama konkaba kubahika rwagati indimi zabo zahinduka gambera mugenzi wo tururimi rwahinduka birahinduka indimi zitahinduka habwo kuba hari abantu bari kutandika business hamwe bikimara kutunguko reba byahinduka.
We are very, very pleased to let you know ngutushemererwe where the business has reached, and that is the celebration together today.
Abahona bashabirwa ko abana inzarwe mirimo hamwe no kamera hakore birya hamutindo.
Nyondi assistant RCC, of course we write reports kunkitsina areba n'ikintu cyamani kine kuzo mu report yanjye ekina areba hane ikintu cyamani ebishane benatera n'ebyamani kurigiro mu project says kurambura mu track. So be sure that this project is going far.
It will empower you and Charity. We have been together, I think, for common business for the last 30 years. Ejimyaka yitucyayine nemyaka mike ekitugeze tindahamya ngo irarenga ashata yitwamara. Nyewe ndareba eji business tihinerenda ekirenda kukigarura nyuma. And we are all very hard working people.
Factory jo bwahati yasyameza netandikire gukora imirimo yayo mbutongorei kandi bwahati nekoresa abakozi barukwingura mu 200 ahabwa TV West nde era achiza
Obere el achiza ntujagarkana makuru agebyemzana.
Wota kurise MTN Momo no gumirwa okusharamu. Yetandaro kuchomu kugumire kozesa Momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shirinje 15 agoni gomanyiga Momo.
There is a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Umakurege byemzane konsompira gwebjere herisobo muri Mbara City batorana akaciko kabebembezi basya akwebembera team ya Mbara City erukusana omumpaka za Nkole Cup kandi erukwetekatecera empaka zo mwakogu omukorogu gwabaguriya hari Ajip Motel aho mu Rembo Mbarara.
Abebembeza batoranwa kwebembera timu ya Mbara City kuzana mu mpaka za Ankole Cup barimo Honorable Mwine Mpakore MP wa Mbara City South owatoranwa nka patron Jomo Mugabiyaza habwa chairman kandi organizer kubana hwirwaho Salim Blanden Twaha akachika kakaroho MP w'eminyeto kujwekera abakazi Masekanye SJ owatoranwa nka brand ambassador kandi ogwe na Honorable Mwine Mpaka buri omwe baraganisa kuhereza $10,000 Jomo Mugabe $1,000 kandi hona hamwe harundanwa $260 zo kushajika timu eji
ndesente nyingi muno kamo yebare kamo rutahigwa ko gambizi na rutahigwa muri Mbarro muno mwekikumurisa mwebare munonga ichiriza kureberera timu n'abandi bona bakuza kutwera ekikuru munonga accountability abantu abahereza sente zabo zagira umugasho ecyo kubanza bamanyongwe sente bazazakikaho ecyakabiri zagira umugasho abo kuba turebere mirundi mingi abantu batandike bintu kebi babukorera mu business
ina Mbara City ya 10 million cyo cyamani munonga nkuko nanagambira nyine shonge sikunde to mupiro connectinga neminyeto ngwenu tukaganira kamanye bisiba kushanga so ninyenda ku interactinga n'abanyabushenyi nyenda ku interactinga n'abanyibanda nyenda ku interactinga n'abanyamutoma nyenda ku interactinga n'abanyisingiro so niza kubando buri meeting yona niza kubangira buri mupira gwana niza kubangura mabo ko kindi kwenda kiri beyond just akapira
abandi abatoranwa hakakiiko harimu Edson Mushabo watoranwa nk'omubiki kandi Edwin Ramo wa TV West hamwe na Kalanzo Rashid Manucho batorana kuru by'amahurire kandi hina twagamba nabo ahantekateka y'empaka za Ankole
mbara kugira ngo tekumanya mpira kureke beine puwa mobilization kwenda ashete hakuba n'abantu bine sente binjo musite mbara stage niyo region state itwine so nindebo kwetezo kuba pipelininga mbaza kuhangura ekikope kuba abazani babine kandi bine sente kandi bafuna good leadership
intanso yamani eri mu Ankole Cup mwaka ogu no kugira ngo buri district ni handisa abazani 25 konka abazani 20 bine kwana bazarwa mu district ejo abazani batana baratunje no biha aheru ya Ankole kandi empire minji neja kuberi aha TV
empaka za Ankole nzija kutandika habiro mukaga byokwezi kwa mukaga no muzana hagati ya Shema hamwe na Bushenyi kandi yo Mbarara City neja kwiguraho nakashara habiro munana byokwezi nukwe kumwe ahabwa TV West nde era akiza
Bari elachiza timu zishetire Ankole mizano y'amashomero gasini ya Uganda yona zakora kurunji okurabaho kuzomuruzano rukurataho omizano erimo mpira gwebjere hockey handball na volleyball omizaneji heriyo nehindira omurumukono timu zarabaho kuzomuruzano rwa timu ashatu nibira harimo ya Bonkonsire ya Singa St Francis na Gori bira hari bushoko yebembera groupe no vonero mwenda hamwe na Kibingo Girls yagwa Chikazi na Kongunga korabaho no vonero butano kandi St Andrews ya Singa Juber na Gori bira hari busha Religion Progressive yagwa Chikazi na Nkoma na Gori bira hazindi omuvore y'abato Shema High ya Singa na Busunsa n'ubwo bavera hari busha Immaculate ya Singa na Bingo n'ubwo bavera harakamwe kandi omubojo Kyamate ya Singa Kigando n'ubwo bavera hari busha omuhoki Ntare School hamwe na Mbarara High School aho Ntare ya Singa Mushanga korabaho kuzomukota finals kandi omubiki bwera nyanje nayo yakora kurunji omurugby Ntare ya Singa wa Kitaka n'ubwo bikumi harzuro kandi Mbarara High School ya Singa Kabukungu na nikuma harusha
akujya nguba bw'umuje ko kubanza shemeriwe muronga kandi nanye nisima ko twitabo kuba tiyamba kureba mutikari yegerevu
zo yirfasi game yituzana na Susa kandi amafunga gake tusetsa game tumayisangwa abana batanika bintu muhimbo kandi ngiye kubaguriye bagira amani mingi
ayitwe cyatwereza amani cyatwereka ngo aboza amani bagine. Actually, you saw the changes this man of Budo did. Yareba kwa Bakari.
Apaneza uzanamza n'ubwitu bwa kabiri nyuma yo gusimbira kubanza gwanya 2-0 hati twasinga na Bingo. Yatubanza musetemo twabegemo twasimbira 2-1.
Amakuraga gashakwa Logias byamukama.
Webere Aloysius byamukama wana kwisiaho amakuraga n'abantu babas Charity na Lois Gava agane tujaga kwisiaho nyencha karesha ibisomwe bazyo bitaga gahenderaha nyenda kubendeza okurara kuronje otarga ha TV West.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
omu porogaramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzaire n'obwetagwa.
Ogwo mushiza byarufu ayino mushango gwesete akarya sente tiyazishashura mwenu mwikirize tumutwaro wa chairman wanyu twamara tumutwara polisi mpaka resire sente taho motoka